Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for March 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see, Aquarius. Kumusta naman ang Aquarius season for you, ang inyong birthday season? Paano kayo nag-celebrate ng birthday? So actually, ang Aquarius season ay hanggang February 18. So happy birthday sa inyo, Aquarius. Okay. 10th house. Oh, career. You have the South Node in Pisces. Wow. So, maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong babalikan na career, trabaho. Maaring itong, not necessarily like yung pinaka-trabaho itself, like, halimbawa yung same company, pwede rin naman na same company or same industry. For example, ikaw ay dating nasa manufacturing. Tapos lumipat ka sa customer service. So, maaring ngayon, parang babalik ka sa manufacturing for some reasons, no? Pwede rin pagbabalik sa, sa business. Dati nag-business ka, tapos for some reasons, tumigil ka, nagtrabaho ka ulit, and then ngayon, babalik ka sa pagninegosyo and vice versa. But I think you are following your passion. You are following your dreams. Ito yung mga pangarap mo na isinantabi mo dahil nung time na yon hindi siya practical para sa'yo na gawin. Kaya ngayon, binabalikan mo yung pangarap mo. Dahil yun talaga yung gusto mong gawin ever since. Gusto mo mag-abroad, kaso nung time na yon wala ka pang funds or walang opportunity. So, pinagpaliban mo muna. And now you're being offered with another opportunity to go abroad. Okay? So, you have a leadership role as well with Tiwas. This is also about courage, victory. So, kung ikaw ay maglalakas ng loob na i-pursue yung gusto mo, then definitely you will see great results. Kasi malakas yung loob mo. I also see new beginnings for you. And also travel. I think meron kang mga i-discover sa sarili mo about the things na what you can also do or what you can do. Diba? Halimbawa sa business na lang Halimbawa nag-business ka. Let's say ang negosyo mo skincare business. So naisip mo na gusto mong sumubok ng ibang negosyo outside skincare. So pwedeng you will try businesses sa food, no? So you will try a bake shop, a restaurant. So ganong analogy. You also have now this, which is limitations. So I feel like merong challenge kasi dito kung paano mo siya gagawin. It's like there's already an opportunity pero kailangan mo pang i-overcome yung challenge na yan. Let's say, pwede kang mag-business ng bagong negosyo, pero kulang ka sa pondo, or kulang ka pa sa kaalaman. So, yun yung kailangan mong i-resolve para makuha mo talaga yung gusto mo, or maka-experience ka ng something new. Okay, you have opposition, confrontation. So, ito yung sinasabi ko rin sa inyo na limitation. 'Di ba? Maaring may obstacle. Merong parang may nakasagabal or may hindi pumapayag. So, let's say gusto mong magtrabaho, may hindi pumapayag na family member kasi gusto niya mag-focus ka sa business or mag-focus ka sa ibang bagay. You also have Chiron, which is healing from your past. I feel like meron kang naging wrong decisions in the past or bad decisions in the past sa career mo na akala mo hindi yun para sa'yo, kaya nilet go mo na. But I feel like yung opportunity bumabalik ulit para sa'yo. Vesta heart. See, you are embracing your passion. Kung saan ka talaga masaya. Kasi di ba tayo, hindi naman talaga lahat ng trabaho or career na napuntahan natin, yun talaga yung gusto natin. Minsan yun lang yung kasing available eh. Kaya doon tayo napunta. At nakalimutan na natin kung ano talaga yung totoong laman ng puso natin, no? So I feel like that is what you are going to explore ngayong March. Your overall energy is the Four of Wands. So there is a celebration. Maaring iba sa inyo, celebration of yung mga goals na na-achieve ninyo. Some of you, meron kayong bagong bahay or lilipat kayo ng bagong place. I see house warming, no? Parang house blessing. And then your challenge is the Nine of Swords. Minsan ang challenge nyo is kino-complicate nyo yung situation. Yung parang ino-overthink nyo yung mga gagawin ninyo. Kaya may pagkakataon na hindi nyo na nagagawa kasi inassume nyo na may problema. Yung parang hindi pa nga siya problema, problema nyo na. So, iwasan nyo yun kasi maaring yan yung isa sa blockage or yan yung nagiging limitation ninyo. And then, your opportunity is the Fool. Ayan. Oh my God, Aquarius, this is your energy to take risks. So, yung iba sa inyo, may opportunity kayo na sumugal sa inyong pangarap. Yes. Taking that step. Being free, having the freedom to do the things that you want. Your focus is the Champion of Pentacles. You want stability in your finances. You want stability in your life. So, yan din yung isa sa focus mo na makapag-iwan ka ng legacy. And then your blessing is the Nine of Wands. You will be given the strength that you need, yung resilience, kumbaga, na kahit na may pagsubok, kahit na may challenge, kayang-kaya mong malusutan, kayang-kaya mong ma-overcome. 'Di ba? Ayan nga daw dapat yung pinagpe-pray natin eh. Yung magkaroon tayo ng lakas para ma-overcome yung mga challenge. Kasi pag ganun, mas lalo tayong nahahasa, mas lalo tayong natututo, mas lalo tayong gumagaling. Kaya pag may challenge na dumating, napakadali lang na solusyonan, 'di ba? News is on the way. So maaring merong importanteng balita regarding sa career, trabaho mo. Barrel. You feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money, or goals. I think ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na parang kahit ano pa yung nararating mo ngayon, kung hindi mo na fulfill yung heart's desires mo, feeling mo may kulang pa rin. Yung iba na lang halimbawa, hindi nila natapos yung pag-aaral nila kasi kinailangan agad nila magtrabaho. Na kahit ano na yung na-achieve nila, narating nila, naipundar nila, deep within them, gusto pa rin nilang ipagpatuloy yung pag-aaral nila. Ganong klaseng energy. Ano man yung parang na-miss out mo, na alam mo sa sarili mo na yun yung gusto mong ma-experience, yun yung gusto mong ma-accomplish, yun yung babalikan mo, yun yung aayusin mo ngayong March. Younger woman, dealings in a relationship or relationship with younger woman, this can be your energy. Pay attention to your health. Okay, if there's someone in your family, in your life na mas bata sa'yo, you have to check their health conditions kasi kung meron silang health issues, you have to be there for them. Parting of the ways either in romance or business. Okay. Maaring meron kang ili-let go or ika-cut off na person sa buhay mo that you feel na hindi na in alignment sa mga goals ninyo sa isa't isa. Kasi di ba minsan, example, ikaw gusto mo pumunta sa kaliwa, siya gusto niya pumunta sa kanan. Magagawa niyo ba 'yon ng pareho kayong present doon sa sitwasyon na yun. Hindi, 'di ba? So some of you might be parang, sige, kanya-kanya na tayo, ganun. You do you, I do mine, kumbaga. Okay? So this can be sa romance or even sa business. Pwedeng iba-buy out ka sa negosyo or iba-buy out mo yung kanegosyo mo para maayos na ikaw na yung may sariling desisyon. 'Di ba? Okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.